In this video, I'm gonna show you the fastest method to grind gems in Sailor Peace. So the fastest way is basically to stack bonuses. So basically what you're gonna do is stack bonuses. After that, you're gonna get the Ascension rank 7 because this one actually ranks you up higher, and then you're gonna get the Golden Tyrant title. And then once you have those, it will basically increase your gem rewards. So after you do this, you're gonna go here to the portal and go to the slime island. So if you go to this slime island here, okay, what you're gonna do here is, it's pretty easy, just defeat 5 NPCs. After you defeat 5 NPCs, I actually recommend that you don't open the chests that include the gems immediately. Just gather them and all together, and just like after stacking them, you want to open them at the same time, and this way you will basically get more gems. So that's pretty much it. So you could also restart this map to just restart the NPCs as well. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.